Hi, you're watching Cuisine Canvas. I'm Ghana and we are going to make a vegetarian Maharashtrian Thali today. We are going to make Jeera rice. We are going to soak the rice in a little bit of water and keep it aside for not more than half an hour. We are going to take a pan. Within the pan, I'm adding oil. Now a teaspoon of Jeera seeds, which is cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Once they start crackling, I'm going to add the soaked rice. I'm going to drain the rice and I'm going to add the soaked rice to the pan. And we are going to stir everything together and make sure that the oil coats the rice. Add salt to taste. Mix everything well again so that each and every granule of the rice is coated equally with the salt, the jeera infused oil. I'm just going to cover it up all the way up with water, just above half an inch. We're going to cover and let it cook. As you can see, it's slightly starting to boil. We're going to cover it half, just enough so that the steam escapes. You know your rice is cooked when you can squeeze through the rice and you do not feel even a single grain within your fingers. Rice is cooked.
Thank you for watching this video on the official Cuisine Canvas channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Click on the official Cuisine Canvas logo to subscribe.